A federal high court in Gombe has awarded a cost of 1 million naira against the defendants in a case involving members of the Equa Church Baganje. The plaintiffs, led by Anthony Umar, has dragged the incorporated trustees of the church to court, alleging unfair treatment and illegal exclusion from church activities. The case, filed in June last year, lingered for several months before the presiding judge, Justice T.G. Ringim, delivered his ruling on the 5th of May 2025.
The plaintiffs, whom we represent in this case, filed an action against the defendant for violating the clear provisions of the Constitution of the Incorporated Trustee of Equa Church in the creation of local church council.
At the beginning of the process that was filed by way of originating summons, we filed a notice of preliminary objection challenging the competence of the suit, in that it was filed before a wrong court. We had also raised an objection to the fact that the manner through which the suit was filed cannot be sustained.
The plaintiffs, represented by Barrister Ayuba Rabiu, claimed they were subjected to unfair treatment by the church authorities. The court ruled in favor of the plaintiffs, awarding a cost of 1 million naira against the defendants.
On the 5th of May 2025, the court delivered its judgment and grants the reliefs, the primary reliefs of the plaintiff. The court set aside the creation of the local church council and declared null and void the excommunication of the plaintiffs as members of Equa Church. And the court also awarded a cost of 1 million naira against the defendant for violating their own constitution.
We intend to appeal against the decision of the Federal High Court sitting in Gombe, when the court in its wisdom had given its judgment, and in its judgment it dismissed some of the claims and then granted some of the reliefs that falls within his jurisdiction to grant. We felt ab initio that, having regards to the fact that the composition of the reliefs all do not fall within the jurisdiction of the court would have ruled that it has no jurisdiction to determine the matter. The other aspect of the judgment that we intend to challenge is the cost of 1 million naira that was awarded.
Barrister Ayuba expressed satisfaction with the outcome, encouraging individuals to seek redress through appropriate channels when treated unfairly. This ruling highlights the importance of upholding constitutional rights and seeking justice through the courts when necessary. In Gombe, Abbas Mekano, NTA News.